Sony CCD-V110 Pro Camcorder Video 8 analog. It's got autofocus. Autofocus is working. I've got it turned on and a tape in it. Let's eject it. Listen to all that. The early days. So you toss the tape in, close it. And we'll hit record. Just got a swing down arm. Got it in the up position. And it's recording. And I have tested the recording. The autofocus works. The zoom works. Although it's a very archaic, old technology, zooming in and zooming out is very slow, just how it's designed. And we'll hit stop, or stop recording, looking for the button, turn on the VTR, and I'll use the remote control to rewind it. Yeah, it's got a remote control and the wireless remote control box. I'm sure that was an added accessory that didn't come with this initially. And we hit play. And it's playing, and I did review the play through the television, and it's crystal clear. The sound is good. Fast forwarding. Rewinding whilst playing, so it's displaying the image. Here's fast forward. It's certainly not a fast forward, nor is it a fast rewind, but it does function. The camera condition is immaculate physically. Functionally, it's either the same as new or very close to new. The lens is crystal clear. So, if you're buying it as a collectible, it's spectacular. If you're buying it to use to play back your tapes, it'll work fine. Although you would probably want a brand new or a newer style analog 8mm camera to watch your tapes, because this is very early 8mm technology, and they certainly improved it over the years. So this camcorder with the box, the inner styrofoam, the accessories, the remote control, it's all available on eBay now, and it goes to the high bidder.